Okay, so this challenge is called Simon Says. The instructions are to create a function that takes in two lists and returns true if the second list follows the first list by one element and false otherwise. In other words, determine if the second list is the first list shifted to the right by one. So, for example, it would take the lists 1, 2, and 5, 1 and return true. It would take the list 1, 2, and 5, 5 and return false. Both input lists will be of the same length and will have a maximum length of 2. The values of the 0 indexed element in the first list and the n-1 indexed element in the second list do not matter. So this must equal to this for it to return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now pause the video and see if you can solve this problem or make a start on it. We're going to check if the first item of list 1 is equal to the second item of list 2. So we're going to take the function Simon Says and then return list 1, return if list 1's first item is equal to list 2's second item. So return lst1 0 is equal to lst2's first index. So let's call the function and we'll print the results. Let's just use the example input we were given. It should return true. And it does. Let's now use an example that should return false. And it does. So let's go and check our code over here. It's correct. Now I challenge you to create a function that takes a string and returns a string in which each character is repeated once. So it would take the word string and return this. I'll cover this in my next video, and if you have any questions or you would like to paste in your code for this challenge, you can do so in the comments below.